Now, a fiery debate broke out in the Indian Parliament on Monday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and opposition leader Rahul Gandhi traded barbs over Pahalgam attack and Operation Sindoor, India's military strikes into Pakistan following the deadly Pahalgam terror attack. Prime Minister Modi defended government's response after Pahalgam attack. He highlighted India's resolve to strike back with force, praising the armed forces and framing the operation as a milestone in India's fight against cross-border terrorism. PM Modi clarified that the request for ceasefire came from Pakistan.
पाकिस्तान ने फोन करके डीजीएमओ के सामने फोन करके गुहार लगाई, बस करो, बहुत मारा, अब ज्यादा मार झेलने की ताकत नहीं है, प्लीज हमला रोक दो। ये पाकिस्तान के डीजीएमओ का फोन था।
Prime Minister Modi gave detailed account of his conversation with U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance. In conversation with Vance, Prime Minister Modi said he vowed to deliver a huge blow to Pakistan if he dared to attack India.
तो अमेरिका के उपराष्ट्रपति जी ने मुझे फोन पे बताया कि पाकिस्तान बहुत बड़ा हमला करने वाला है, ये उन्होंने मुझे बताया। मेरा जो जवाब था, जिनको समझ नहीं आता है उनको तो नहीं आएगा, मेरा जवाब था अगर पाकिस्तान का ये इरादा है तो उसे बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा।
However, the opposition led by Rahul Gandhi accused the government of staging a political show while restricting the military's options. He added that Air Force officials had privately admitted to losing aircraft because of the political leadership had imposed limits on their targeting freedom.
Aircraft were lost. As this gentleman Shiv Kumar says, they were lost because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military and air defense infrastructure of the Pakistan. मतलब आपने शुरू किया और शुरुआत में ही आपने उनको कह दिया कि भैया हमारे पास ना पॉलिटिकल विल है और ना हम आपके मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अटैक करेंगे, और फिर आपने हमारे पायलट से कहा जाके लड़ाई करिए, और नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते हो।
The Congress leader mocked the government for claiming victory while the operation was still ongoing and questioned why the ceasefire was announced by U.S. President Donald Trump.
29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने ceasefire करवाया। अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं। यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। If he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar.